should keep it.
So cute. You have to keep it.
So, is this the housewarming party? Was I supposed to bring a gift for Jen? I don't know. Should we go get it? Oh, hey, Jen. Wow, you are looking so hot these days.
I know. I hate Jen. Oh, hi, Jen.
Okay, ladies. Nutritious and delicious. Caprese bites with balsamic aioli.
Those are so cute.
Jen, I'm totally impressed. These are amazing.
Ooh, since when did you learn how to cook? I know, seriously. Sorry, I have to take this.
Come on, girl.
Running the rat race, climbing ladders, you know.
She's been climbing ladders for a long time.
Tell your boss you're sick of him.
Aw, poor Anne.
Poor Ann nothing. She makes bank.
And has no life.
But seriously, Jen, you're getting all fancy on us.
A little free time goes a long way. It's all part of my grand scheme.
Oh, hey, Jen, by the way, thanks for those vitamins. Where can I get some more?
Oh, yeah, I knew you'd love them. It's really easy to order more. I'll tell you later.
Wait. What's this? What are you two talking about?
Jen's vitamins. They're awesome. I pretty much just eat my kids' leftovers, so I know I'm not getting enough nutrition. Seriously, I feel a major healthy energy wellness bump thing going on.
Well, I want some. Where can I buy them?
Actually, you get them on my online store. Or Mari's. We'll tell you all about it sometime.
You have a store?
You opened a store and didn't tell me about it?
Please, it's all over their Facebook.
Yeah, I saw something, but I didn't know it was a thing. Wow, Jen. This is your website?
Yeah, you get the nutritional supplements right there.
And skincare products and weight loss shakes and all kinds of awesome stuff.
That is sweet.
I took that picture of Jen and Matt.
Matt's doing this with you? Wait, Matt is doing this? I thought Matt knew like 18 words and they all had to do with Star Trek.
Get him talking about nutrition now and he won't shut up.
Did you have to run office space
How
somewhere?
much did it cost to put all this together?
You're like a nutrition expert now.
No. All right. Mari and I are USANA associates.
You what?
USANA. It's a company.
Jen got me started a couple weeks ago.
You work for them?
No way. They work for us. So basically, USANA provides nutritional products and a business opportunity that you customize to your own life. So depending on what your goals are, USANA works to make that happen. We work from home. We don't have to ship out packages or anything like that. USANA takes care of all that stuff. We don't have to be health experts, but we're learning to be. What else?
Our online stores are free.
Yeah.
I'm just so impressed you guys started a business. I would have no idea where to start.
Neither did I. But that's kind of the point. Anyone can do this. Some of the most successful people at USANA are stay-at-home moms with zero business experience.
Do I look like some big-time business lady?
I'll answer that.
Exactly.
Besides, it's not like we're on our own.
Yeah, here, check this out. Here is my sweet little online office provided by USANA. Everything I need to run my business is right here. I can see people's orders, how much I'm getting paid, my calendar. Oh, and I can send people cool videos of products and everything. Anyway, here is my team. Here is me, and here are my cousins in the Philippines.
Okay, this is crazy. They work for you.
We work together. See, they are out there right now doing the whole USANA thing, like right this very minute. And all the people that buy products through them are also my customers.
Oh, hey, look. Somebody just bought a product. Isabel's trying the optimizers. So great for her.
Since Isabel is one of my customers and I'm on Jen's team, we both just earned commission.
Wow.
Sounds amazing. But
But what?
why wouldn't I just get this at a regular vitamin store?
Please, no. I'm a nurse and I get lost at the vitamin store.
Well, first of all, you can't get the world's best products there. But the other thing is, USANA is about personalized nutrition. Just like the business, they want you to have what you need for your life.
See this man? This is USANA's cell expert, super scientist founder, Dr. Wentz.
And philanthropist.
Yeah. See, for him, it's not just about putting products on the shelf, it's about changing lives.
They have all these super amazing technologies that help you know exactly what products to take. Matt wanted to lose a few pounds, but for me, it was about skin quality.
More energy, please.
Marathon, baby, next year.
No thanks.
And the vitamin store doesn't pay you to share the products.
Excuse us, ladies. Urgent healthy snack break coming through.
So, are all the products as good as the ones I tried?
Yeah.
Or you could put it this way. Over 700 of the world's most elite athletes take USANA nutritional supplements.
That's pretty cool.
Don't touch my Caprese bites.
Ladies, continue. We're beaming out.
How much do you make?
How much?
Well, it started out as a little side thing. I recommended the products to my family, and suddenly I got a check from USANA. Now Matt's all into it, and he thinks if we keep going, he'll be able to quit his job in a couple years.
Shut up, seriously?
Yep.
Okay, sign me up before I turn into Anne.
Amber, what's wrong?
This just seems so great. And it's so sweet that you and Matt can do this together, and Mari. But I'm not like you guys. I could never sell stuff to people I know or talk to people about business stuff.
Are you crazy? Half the stuff we all own is because you said we look cute in it.
Keeping it.
Earrings.
Shoes.
With this, you recommend stuff you like and get paid for it.
So, Heather, you sound like an expert already. You gonna do this?
I'm thinking about it.
I'm in. I'm all about wellness. And paying off grad school.
Sorry, girls. What did I miss? What?
Ask Jen and Mari about their lucrative global business they're building, distributing Premier Health products, and discovering the lifestyle of their dreams.
Please tell me everything now.
It's totally no big deal. It's just my awesome life.
Let's start from the beginning.